Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to log out Telegram remotely from all devices at once. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. How to do it: from your Telegram home menu, tap on this three line icon to the upper left corner and tap on settings and scroll down and tap on devices. And here you will get those devices which are active. And to log out from all devices, tap on Terminate All Other Sessions and tap on Terminate. So that's how you can do it. If this video helped, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to how to do it. Thank you for watching.